Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dan Weimerger here, CEO of Morpheus Network. Really excited today to bring you this video. I think the community will be in particular excited about the functionality we're about to show off over here. I'm joined today by two awesome individuals, two guys I love working with. Of course, my close friend and COO, Noam Meppel, and of course, my other close friend and developer extraordinaire, Bhavesh. Thank you guys so much for joining. Noam, you know what? I'll let you introduce what we're going to talk about today. So Noam, why don't you take it away?
Thanks, Dan, and hi, Bhavesh. So let's get started. So as I hope you're all aware, recently Morpheus Network announced our Uniswap liquidity program. And Uniswap, if you're not familiar, it's a fantastic decentralized protocol. It's basically an exchange running on the Ethereum network. And one thing that's pretty unique about Uniswap is that it allows anyone to become a liquidity provider. And our MRPH token is already on Uniswap. It's quite active there. But we wanted to incentivize people to sign up and become a liquidity provider on Uniswap. So we recently announced that program a couple weeks ago. And if you're interested in more information, you can always email us at uniswap@morpheus.network. Email us with any questions or comments. And today what we're going to show you is an interface where you can sign up, log in, and manage your tokens through our LP program, Liquidity Provider Program. So with that quick intro, I'd love to throw it over to Bhavesh. He's one of our developers, and he's been working on the interface for the last few weeks. And Bhavesh, if it's okay, if you can share your screen and walk us through the platform.
So I am going to log in with my own account here. So I have logged in here through my own account. You can see on my dashboard there are all my dashboard values are empty now because don't have added a liquidity through the Uniswap. So next step is I am going to add a liquidity through the Uniswap. So I am opening a Uniswap interface portal here. This is the add liquidity page here on Uniswap portal. So I am going to connect my MetaMask wallet. So I will I will add uh, I will exchange the token with Ethereum. First of all, I will exchange the Ether with MOB token here. I will swap 50 tokens. You can see here the transaction is submitted. Yeah, this transaction is completed and 50 tokens is get added to into your account. Yeah, on add liquidity page. Now you can add a liquidity of 50 tokens from here. You must need to approve the liquidity before adding. Yeah, your liquidity is added, and after clicking on supply, it's universally added on Uniswap platform here. Once you click on supply button here, this data is synced with our Morpheus liquidity platform. You need to confirm it again. You can see again a transaction is submitted. I can see here the 50 token that recently I have added through the Uniswap here. This is my wallet address through which I have added my token. This is a token amount. Then this is a respective Ethereum value. Uh, this is a transaction hash for that particular transaction. I have added a transaction. So this is a transaction type add. If I remove the liquidity from Uniswap, then again a new entry here will created with transaction type remove. This is a Morpheus per Ether value and Ether for Morpheus value at that moment when I was added a transaction. And here is a timestamp at where I have added the transaction here. When day by day or month by month, when you add a liquidity on Uniswap, then list of entries will created here, and you can see each and every transaction or each and every entry by logging into your account. This is a total stake you have invested till now. This is a total stake in a month. For this month you have added a 50 here. Then second is total earning and total earning in month. Once you have completed 2 weeks after the investment, you are eligible for earning here. You have not completed 2 weeks till now, so your award value will be zero for now. By using this way, you can add liquidity through a Morpheus liquidity platform. Then second step is a my earning tab. When you are rewarded with particular amount of token through the platform, you can see here entry of your reward and status of your reward, that is pending or approved by the Morpheus platform admin. Once you have added a liquidity, you can also remove the liquidity from the Uniswap. I am showing now how you can remove the liquidity from Morpheus platform. When you again see, you can see at the bottom side here, Morpheus token and Ethereum token pair. When you click on this manage button here, you can see you have added a 49.99, that is approximate 50 tokens in Morpheus liquidity platform here. You can remove the entire 100% amount from here or only 50% amount from here. When you can click on remove, you can choose the you want to remove the 25%, 50%, 75%. So I am removing a 50% amount from Morpheus liquidity platform here. When I click on approve, I need to confirm it again, and you need to again click on remove option here to completely remove the your liquidity from platform. It's removing a 24.99 approximate 25 tokens from platform here. And again one transaction will be created here, and after successfully completing this transaction, you can see you can visit and see the Morpheus platform dashboard. You will see a new entry with transaction type remove here. We will wait for transaction to be complete. Yeah, the transaction is completed here. Now you can visit the dashboard. I am refreshing the dashboard. Previously was 50 tokens, and I have removed the 24.99 tokens. So you can see 25.001 tokens. Currently you have invested on Uniswap. And again, this new entry is created. This is a wallet address 24.99. This is a you have removed this amount of token from the platform. This transaction type is remove. This is transaction hash, and then same again timestamp when you have removed the liquidity. By using these steps, you can add or remove the liquidity on a Morpheus liquidity platform here. And when reward earning calculation logic will be executed, currently current balance is 25 tokens in your account, so you will be eligible only for reward for 24 more, not for 50, because you have removed the 25 tokens for current date.
Good. That's fantastic, Bhavesh. Thank you so much for that walkthrough. So what we saw today was Bhavesh using some standard Uniswap features to add liquidity, remove liquidity, and do some swaps. And what we saw was our platform, how you can use it to manage your activities on Uniswap and see a recording of all your transactions. Take a look at how many tokens you've got staked, and also taking a look at your personal bonus, how much MRPH you've earned by being a part of our LP program. So that's fantastic. And this is very important for our platform. MRPH, our utility token, is a key component of our platform. And by using Uniswap, it ensures a healthy supply of MRPH to our platform. So we're really excited about this program. And yeah, Bhavesh and all the developers, fantastic job as usual.
Yes, great presentation as well. Bhavesh is looking fantastic. One thing I will point out, obviously, that for all the potential LPs out there, please do read those terms and conditions closely. You do have to follow the proper steps. Bhavesh was showing obviously a demonstration information to show how it works, but there is a minimum amount of tokens to hold, and there's 15-day cycles and so on and so forth. So please do read those terms and conditions closely. I can't emphasize how important this liquidity provider platform is for the platform itself, for our supply chain clients. We're literally trying to validate these supply chain transactions, and the necessity of the token is so essential to have this happen, right? If we don't have the token, we can't validate on the blockchain, on the mainnet, the supply chain activities. So this program is so essential. That's why we're offering this amazing bonus to get it rolling very quickly. The community I know is very excited about it, as are we. Both from the side of having the community involved, but also be able to notarize, having free flow of the tokens as we need it. And once again, I want to thank the developers, just like Noam said as well. They did an amazing job on this platform, and we're very excited to put this out for the community to use as well. So, anything else you gentlemen wanted to say today to the community? I'm very thankful for the developers, for the community, for the whole team. Anything else you guys wanted to say today?
Yeah, I would just mention again, uniswap@morpheus.network is the email address to use if you have any questions at all. We always love hearing from you, so don't hesitate to reach out. Uniswap@morpheus.network.
Without further ado, guys, thank you so much for taking the time. Bhavesh, thank you so much. Noam, as always, and everybody who's watching, have a great day.
Bye.